Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Nissan Rogue tire maintenance. Start by parking on flat ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition to ACC. Press and hold the tire reset button near the dash until the TPMS light blinks, then release it and wait for a confirmation chime. If the light persists, drive at 50 mph for 10 minutes to complete the relearn process. A reset is needed when sensors change, tires rotate, or pressures vary significantly to keep accurate alerts. If you replace a sensor or swap on a spare, perform the reset right away. Low battery or a persistent slow leak can also trigger the TPMS light and require a reset. Regularly check pressures and reset after maintenance to avoid false warnings and keep your Rogue driving safely and efficiently on the road. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They last through long drives and garage work. I love how comfy they are while I tweak tire pressure, and they match the endurance vibe of car care. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the TPMS light won't reset, start with basics. Confirm each tire matches the recommended PSI and inspect sensors for obvious damage. Corroded valve stems or loose sensors can prevent a proper relearn. Try a standard drive sequence or use an aftermarket relearn tool to force sensor registration. When all else fails, a dealer scan will identify a faulty sensor or module, and replacing the bad component will clear persistent warnings and restore system reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.